So this is our water impounding. Now that it's not rainy season, we're going to feed them to water our plants. So it's very, very helpful. I think there's also tilapia growing in there, in that water. The fish pond water also help to water the plants, since we don't need this a lot of water. So this will be watering the tomatoes. So it's also good because basically the waste from the tilapia will be a fertilizer